Are you looking for a clutch for your mild-mannered LS car, something that's nice and smooth engaging, not too heavy on the pedal effort? Ram has exactly what you need in our LS Complete Clutch System packages. These packages are going to include the pressure plate, the clutch disc, the flywheel, the pressure plate bolts, and the line-up dowel pins for the flywheel. Now it's going to feature a higher clamp pressure plate, about 2,800 pounds of pressure, still a real nice, easy pedal effort, and a helix-hub friction disc, which is going to have the sprung center and the extra sprung center, which is going to absorb for shock, oscillations in the drive line that can cause some gear rattle and noises. Also going to include the bolts and to bolt the pressure plate down, as well as the dowel pins. Now, this is a great choice for street-driven LS cars, mild horsepower, 450 to 500 range, that are just going to see street action, and it's going to give you a real nice engagement and real good drivability. Now, for those that are looking for a little bit more, something a little more aggressive, a little more holding power, Ram also offers these kits with a 6-paddle metallic disc version, which is going to be aggressive engaging, but will give you a lot of extra hold there that gets you up in that 650 horsepower range.